All right, so this is an example from day 4 for review for your quiz. So just remember that some of this stuff is possibly different for you if you chose a different route in solving your equation. So I am going to start with picking 2 equations. I'm going to pick the first and the last because I know I can easily eliminate the y's. If that's not what you chose, that's okay. So I'm going to do x minus 2y, I'm just rewriting everything, plus 3z equals 7, and then negative 3x plus 2y minus 2z equals negative 10. So all I did was rewrite the 2 equations. So in this situation, I do not have to multiply either of the equations by anything to eliminate because it's already set up that way. But if I did, you would want to make sure that you're going through that process. So now I'm going to add down. X minus 3x is negative 2x. The y's are going to cancel, and then 3z minus 2z is going to be positive z. And then 7 minus 10 is negative 3. So now I have this equation set. I'm going to stop on that one and do another equation that has x and z, so then I can put those together later. So now I'm going to go back up here and figure out how I can eliminate y from another set. So I'm just going to pick the first 2 just because doesn't seem like there's anything easy going on like the first one. So I'm going to have to do a little more work here. So I'm writing down the first 2. So x minus 2, minus 2y plus 3z equals 7, and then 2x plus y plus z equals 4. So in this case, I decided previously I had to eliminate the y's, so I have to eliminate y's again so I get x and z in my new equation. So currently I have negative 2y and positive y, so I want this to be plus 2y, so these will cancel. So I have to multiply this equation by 2. So I'm going to rewrite this original one here. So x minus 2y plus 3z equals 7, and then I'm going to multiply every piece by 2 here. So 4x plus 2y plus 2z equals 8. And then I'm going to add down. 4 plus x is 5x. The y's are gone. 3 plus 2 is 5y. 8 plus 7 is 15. So now, 5z, my bad. So now I've got this one and this one that I'm going to go line up over here. So I'm just rewriting negative 2x plus z equals negative 3. So that just came from here. And then I'm going to take this and put it right under here. 5x plus 5z equals 15. So now it's my job to, again, eliminate. So I've eliminated here, and then I'm going to eliminate again to where I get one variable. So it's up to you if you want to eliminate the x's or the z's. I think the z's would be easiest because I only have to multiply this one. If I try to do the x's, I have to multiply both equations. So I'm going to multiply this one by negative 5 to make these opposite of each other. So then I'm going to multiply every piece by negative 5. So negative 5 times negative 2 is positive 10x minus 5z equals positive 15. And then I'm going to rewrite this down here. 5x plus 5z equals 15. And then I add down to eliminate the z's. So 15x equals 15 plus 15 is 30. So then I solve for x. Divide both sides by 15, x is 2. Once you get your first variable, it's going to be quick after this. All this work, the front loading of work, tons of stuff you had to do, it is all going to pay off very quickly. So take this x and plug it into one of these equations. So I'm going to do the first one. Negative 2x plus z equals negative 3. So I'm going to say negative 2 times 2, because that comes from here, plus z equals negative 3. Negative 4 plus z equals negative 3. And then add 4 to both sides. So z equals 1. Once you have 2 of your variables, then you're going to go back up to this and plug it in to one of those. I'm just going to pick the first one. X minus 2y plus 3z equals 7. If you picked a different one, that's fine. I did x is 2, just plugging in the information that I got prior, minus 2y plus 3 times 1 equals 7. So then I'm going to simplify here. 2 minus 2y plus 3 equals 7. 2 plus 3 is 5 minus 2y equals 7. Take away 5 from both sides. Negative 2y equals 2. And then divide both sides by negative 2. Y is negative 1. So then you're going to answer as x, y, z. So x was 2, y was negative 1, and z is positive 1.